Hey guys, what's up? It's Hyrule Knight, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up a graph with the secondary y-axis in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, what you want to do is make sure that you have the data set up like this, with two separate columns, each with their own unique titles. You want to have the data for each column corresponding to the other column. For example, 4 corresponds to 44, 5 to 45, 7 to 47, and so on. After you have that done, what you want to do is select all of your data, and then Insert and Bar Graph. As you can see, doing this creates a graph with two separate values, but it's really hard to see how the values correspond to each other, because one's huge and the other is small. So what we're going to do is create a secondary y-axis by right-clicking on the graph, not there, change chart type, and then going all the way down to combo. So once you click that, a new menu opens up and it allows you to click on the checkbox for secondary axis. And in this preview for the graph, you can see that it already makes it a lot easier to see the correspondence between the two data sets. So you can also click here to change the graph type, depending on whatever graph you want to have. Obviously don't select clustered columns of both because it will overwrite the other. But yeah, you could do something weird like this. Don't know why you'd ever need to do that, but I don't know. Yeah, there's just a bunch of different things you can do from here. Anyway, so that's the video. Hope this helped, and please leave a like and a comment if you have any questions for things to do in Excel in the future. Alright, thanks.